Good afternoon, students. Today I'll explain you the question answers brief, that is short question answers of chapter 14, that is means of communication. So the first one is, what are advertisements? What are the various mediums of advertisements? So advertisement is a way to publicize a product in such a way that people get interested in buying it. Means they publicize it so much that one is interested to buy that product. The various mediums of advertisements are newspaper, magazine, radio, television, internet, etc. Then, what is an email? Write one advantage of email. Second question. So, email is an electronic mail system that helps a person to send the mails to the intended user. Means whomever you want to send it, so it goes to that user. And one advantage of email is it is cheaper and faster than the other means of communication. Then how is mass communication helpful to us? Mass communication help us to communicate with a larger group of people at the same time. Only this much only, that mass communication, it helps to communicate with a larger group of people at the same time. And then fourth one is here, why is communication important? So communication has always been important for humans to speak and express themselves. Means the way they want to speak and express their feelings and all. So that is the main importance of communication. Okay. So question answer, brief question answers I had explained you, and I had gone through the personal communication of this chapter, and mass communication was left. So I'll explain you this also. Now, to communicate with a larger group of people, we need to have a great medium of communication. If we want to address large group of people, so we need a greater medium. So this could be have a wider reception which reaches the public fast. So which one is this? This is mass communication. And the medium of mass communications are magazines, newspaper, radio, television, cinema, and advertisements. So one by one we'll go through it. Newspaper and magazine, it from old times only, during the freedom struggle also, newspapers were there, and it was it played a vital role in uniting people against oppressive forces. Newspaper have helped in spreading the messages of thinkers, philosophers, and revolutionaries to the common people. Then magazines also, it is a collection of related information. Suppose if you want to know about fashion, so fashion magazines are there, politics magazines are there, entertainment magazines are there. And radio, it is an audio device, means you can only listen, you cannot see it, and it broadcasts news, music, and stories, and it was invented by Guglielmo Marconi in 1886. And television, it was invented in 1926 by John Logie Baird, and the invention of television changed the way of accessing news and entertainment, presenting news and entertainment in audio-visual format, means it is in audio-visual format. And 1926 John Logie Baird invented it. Then cinema is a public medium. It represents entertainment knowledge, means the movies which we go and see in the hall is cinema, and it relays messages related to society, culture, and various other themes concerning the people, and it is a full-fledged industry. And then advertisement, it is a way to publicize a product in such a way that people get interested in buying it, and it is a very creative medium with innovations and thoughts, means the way it is presented, and the people get interested in buying it. And it is not only commercial purpose, it is the advertisements are done not for the commercial purpose only, but government and various departments advertise about many welfare products, policies, to make people aware of them. Means for welfare policies also, people are to make people aware, government uses advertisements only. And there are many mediums for advertisements also: newspaper, magazines, radio, television, internet, etc. Okay, thank you.